Chaliye, I think I'll start doing this question. I told you that company has forfeited 20 shares of rupees 100 each, on which 60 rupees per share are being called up and 20 are not paid. So the first forfeiture entry will be share capital account debit. $20 multiplied by 60. I'll just write it little this side. 20 multiplied by 60. What will be the amount written over here? कितना अमाउंट आएगा? 20 multiplied by 60. अरे कोई बोलता भी नहीं.
1200.
To share forfeiture account, if he has paid, not paid 20 rupees, it means 40 rupees are being paid. Am I right? क्या लिखा है? 60 rupees are being called and how much he hasn't paid? He hasn't paid 20 rupees per share, means 40 rupees वो pay कर चुका है. तो 20 is the number of share. 20 into 40 he has already paid. ठीक है? Then it means how much is not yet paid? That is 2 calls in arrears. 400 rupees. 20 into 20. Or call account, final call, first call, whatever you say. 400 rupees. Fine. Now the next entry is when you reissued. How many shares are being reissued? 15 shares out of this are being reissued. Now be very careful. Bank account will be debited for sure. Share forfeiture will also be debited. And share capital will be credited. But with what amount share capital will be credited over here? देखो जरा ध्यान से उस लाइन को पढ़ो जो मैंने आपको डिक्टेट कराई है. मैंने क्या बोला आपको? 60 rupees paid up, rupees 45 per share. मैंने क्या ऐसा बोला? fully paid up? नहीं बोला. इसीलिए यहाँ पे 60 से मल्टीप्लाई है. देखो पहले कैसी लाइन लिखी थी? पहले जो लिखा था क्वेश्चन वो ऐसे लिखा था, ₹60 shares at the rate of ₹7 per share as fully paid. यहाँ तो as fully paid up बोला ही नहीं. यहाँ क्या बोला? ₹60 paid up, मतलब 100 रुपए का शेयर था, 60 बुलाया था और 60 paid up पे उसको रीइश्यू किया. मतलब कि शेयर कैपिटल विल बी क्रेडिटेड विद ₹60. ठीक है? दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. तो 60 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 20 करेंगे, जितने से पहले हमने उसको डेबिट किया था उतने से ही क्रेडिट हो जाएगी शेयर कैपिटल. देखो ये और ये सेम ही हो रहा है. ठीक है?
It is 60 multiplied by 15, right?
हाँ सॉरी 15 shares are being reissued. 15 shares are reissued. So the amount will change. 60 multiplied by 15, 900. Now बैंक में कितना पैसा आया? 45 rupees per share you have issued. 45 multiplied by 15. 15 shares are reissued for 45 per share. So 675. ठीक है? यहाँ पर कितना पैसा we will have to take? Each share is 15 rupees and जो भी लॉस हो रहा है, कितने का लॉस हो रहा है? 60 minus 45 मतलब 15 rupees per share का we are facing a loss and this loss will be made good from here. So 225 rupees, you can say balancing figure also. It has been taken from share forfeiture account. Now कैपिटल रिजर्व में कितना ट्रांसफर होगा, इसके लिए अगेन यूनिटरी मेथड हैज टू बी अप्लाइड व्हाट वी डिड इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. हैव यू ऑल नोटेड डाउन दिस मच?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
going to the next page. Here I'll just pass the entry and keep, and then I will do the working below. This entry will be, obviously, share forfeiture is going to be debited. To capital reserve. Whatever will be the balance for this 15 shares will be transferred to capital reserve. Okay, but only for this 15 share. So 20 shares forfeited. 15 reissued. 5 not yet issued. Not yet reissued. ठीक है. So share forfeiture for 15 shares. For 20 shares, what was the balance? देखो ये लिखा है. For 20 share, what was the balance? 800 was the balance. This. So for 15 share, what will be the balance? It will be 800 into 15 divided by 20. 600 minus utilized. How much is being utilized? ये entry में 225. 225. आप लोग इसके नीचे ही लिखिएगा, मैं साइड में लिख रही हूँ. 600 minus 225 मतलब 375 should go to capital reserve. And here यहाँ का कैलकुलेशन करके देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, वी डोंट नीड इट, पर फिर भी बता देती हूँ. फॉर 20 शेयर्स how much was there? 800 was available. Have I picked up the right amount now? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And for 5 shares, 800 into 5 divided by 20.
Ma'am, this part is not necessary, right?
Yeah? I didn't get you. Can you?
Ma'am, this part of calculation is not required, no?
Yeah, it's not required. This is just for your understanding. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
तो हम एंट्री पास कर देंगे ऊपर. How much is being transferred is 375. Okay. Have you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
kind of
Yes,
few
ma'am.
questions I will be giving you in homework. इसका practice आपको चाहिए, ठीक है? जहाँ पे only a part is issued, full number of shares are not issued. I will not give you many questions as homework. I will be